Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something, I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called Atossa Therapeutics. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Atossa Therapeutics is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, and they're really looking to innovate and develop some really unmet needs in oncology. So let's take a look at the leadership team. MD, PhD, Dr. Stephen Quay is the CEO. Has been with the company for quite a while, since the beginning, pretty much, and really, a lot of experience. Residency at Massachusetts General Harvard Hospital, faculty member at Stanford, so long history of having a ton of success. One of the reasons I got excited about this company is their development of this drug, endofoxine Z, which is you're trying to use it for multiple areas, reduce breast density for patients that have been most recently diagnosed with a common type of breast cancer, reduce tumor activity prior to surgery. It's a selective estrogen receptor modulator, so they call that a SERM, and its active metabolite is tamoxifen. So that's pretty exciting. It's got anti-estrogen effects at higher concentrations in the studies. It shows that it targets some potential oncogenic protein, and they're looking at it at low doses for potential breast cancer preventative by reducing breast density, which I mentioned earlier, which, higher breast density sometimes, reducing, if you can, sometimes if you reduce the breast density, it's thought to be correlated to reducing the chance of breast cancer. Higher doses, they're evaluating as an alternative to another class of drugs, aromatase inhibitors, plus goserelin, which is used for ovarian suppression for patients with breast cancer. So it was recently, so the FDA cleared it for their first study in the U.S. for breast cancer. They also have a prevention trial going on in Sweden, which is exciting. So let's take a look at the pipeline. So there's the doxepin. This is the main trial that they have going on. The inhalation ATOS, this medication is basically they're reevaluating it. So the doxepin, has the potential to work in 3 areas of breast cancer. Hopefully reduce breast cancer, reduce density, breast tissue, reduce cancer cell activity before surgery. Hopefully reduce risk of reoccurring new breast cancer. So that's the pretty exciting. The AATHTO1, that's 2 drugs previously approved by the FDA to treat other diseases, being used as a nebulizer to prevent lung injury and cancer. That's what the study was done on, and they're currently reevaluating that. So let's look at the stock price. So the stock symbol ATOS is the stock symbol. It's about 76 cents at the time of the video. At this time, these types of stocks seem to get hammered with high interest rates, high inflation, but I still think there's a lot of potential here. Big risk, big reward. Atossa Therapeutics did announce that they're trying to look into investigating CAR T therapies as well recently with dynamic cell therapies, DCT, which is a hopefully, if they can get into the CAR T therapy, that could be exciting stuff. And use that as potential another opportunity in the immuno-oncology space. I'm still going to monitor this company because I think there's a lot of potential here. That's all the time I have for this video. If you did enjoy this video and the content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe. It helps the channel grow. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.